My friends call me Wikipedia because if anyone needs to know anything, they come to me. And one of the most common things I say is, did you know, blah, 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 blah. Did you know that Japanese self-help denim is this? Did you know that? And they printed that on t-shirts and it's a little embarrassing. My friends, a couple of my friends are here with me, and when I put this t-shirt on, they looked at it and they burst out laughing. So,
well, I think it's really cool to be called Wikipedia and Did You Know, and to have your signature on a pair of jeans. I think that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's really cool. Right? You put on jeans and it's got your name on it. It's a very cool feeling.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, I've never been a brand person. I have no loyalty to I must buy clothes from this brand or that brand.
Right.
I pick up things purely based on what they look like, and it doesn't really matter this way or another. So, of course, I've been influenced by things that I've seen, by people that I've seen wearing something that looks cool. That has always been a tremendous inspiration for me. Yeah, in life I've never looked at a brand and said, hey, their stuff is very cool or their stuff is very good. Not someone who is very clued into fashion trends. I follow my gut, I follow things that I see around that I like. Obviously, you follow the weather. Like I say, it's been a summer collection, we used thinner, lighter denims, lighter colors, lighter washes. The idea is, how do you take something and make it a little different from everything else that is on offer? How do you put your own personality into it? That is something that I'm very, very big on. More than fashion, I believe in style. Fashion changes. It keeps going. Fashion is for followers. Style is an expression of who you are or what you are. And in something that is ideally as simple and as basic as possible, as a pair of jeans, how do you put your personality on that? And how do I make it something that is specifically me? Because someone who's buying my line specifically is wanting something that they're looking for something that in somehow speaks about who I am. If you're buying a pair of jeans that says Imran Khan on it, you want to see what is Imran done that is different. Has he just put a signature on it and that's it? And we're just rushing it out the door for a money grab? Or is there actually something about Imran? Which is where this joke, which I'm more than a little embarrassed about. You get inspiration from anywhere. Okay, for example, that canvas patch on those jeans. I recently bought a pair of those retro canvas shoes which we all used to wear for PT. I bought a pair of those just because it reminded me of childhood. It's kind of a nostalgic vibe. And that rough canvas texture, I feel it ages really nicely. It gets a little bit of dirt on it, it starts to get worn down. And it looks used and worn, and it adds a nice texture. So I thought that would be a nice touch to have, rather than all jeans in the world have a leather patch. Got into this, honestly not knowing much. Just saying that I know what I like, I know what I think is cool, and let's try and achieve that. And because of the detail that these guys went into, every single rivet was shown to me, every button. Do you want a slightly silver one, slightly darker grey, closer to black? Do you want a brownish one, slightly gold, bronze? What color do you want? What kind of finish? White enamel, red enamel? Every single thing, zippers, rivets, the tape that the zipper is attached to, all of this stuff, the thread. Some of these jeans, you notice these ones, the back pocket, third from the left. See the watch pocket and the back pocket? It has 4 rows of stitching as opposed to 2. The thickness of the thread, what color of thread. So I'm sitting and looking at thread to decide. This is stuff that I never realized that this much thought and effort goes into something as simple as a pair of jeans.